Every week, there's a new AI claiming it can make videos go viral. Most of them don't. So when I saw PixVerse AI promising cinematic, viral style videos, I was curious and skeptical. Instead of trusting the demo clips, I decided to test it myself. Step 1. Why PixVerse? AI got my attention. PixVerse AI is built around one idea: turning text prompts into short, eye-catching videos. The kind you see on TikTok, Reels, and Shorts. That's a big promise. Because making videos is easy, making watchable videos is not. Step 2. First time using PixVerse. When I logged in, I didn't feel overwhelmed. You type a prompt, choose a style, hit generate. Simple enough, but simple tools can still disappoint, so I kept expectations low. Step 3. The first video result. The first video surprised me. The motion looked smooth, the visuals felt cinematic. Was it perfect? No, but it didn't look cheap either, which already puts it ahead of a lot of AI video tools. That's when I thought, okay, there might be something here. Step 4. Can it actually make viral content? Here's the honest truth. PixVerse doesn't make videos viral by itself. What it does give you is strong visuals, fast generation, a good base for short-form content. Virality still depends on your idea, hook, and timing. If your concept is boring, the AI won't save it. Step 5. What I liked and what I didn't. What I liked. Visually impressive results, easy to use, great for shorts and reels. What I didn't, limited control, sometimes inconsistent output, still needs human editing. It's a tool, not a magic button. Final thoughts. So, can PixVerse AI really create viral videos? Not on its own. But if you already understand short-form content and just want speed and visuals, it's actually useful. Use it as a starting point, not a shortcut to fame, and it starts making a lot more sense. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.